In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to generate high-retention YouTube hooks and reusable formulas for your content. Let's get started. I begin by opening my browser to the ChatGPT interface. I have a specific persona prompt ready in my notepad, so I highlight the text that instructs the AI to act as a professional YouTube hook writer. This prompt defines my target audience as busy professionals and entrepreneurs who value results-driven content. I copy this text and paste it directly into the message box. Once I hit enter, ChatGPT confirms its new role and outlines the different hook styles it will provide, such as pain point, curiosity, and contrarian hooks. Now that the persona is set, I want to generate some specific ideas. I go back to my notepad and copy a request for 10 hook options for a video titled, "How to Stop Procrastinating and Actually Get Things Done." I paste this into the chat and watch as it generates a diverse list. I scroll through the results, which include bold statement hooks and surprising facts designed to grab attention within the first few seconds. To refine these even further, I copy a follow-up prompt. I ask ChatGPT to pick the top 3 performers from the previous list, explain why they work, and then rewrite them with a stronger sense of urgency. I paste this into the chat and review the results. It breaks down the psychology behind why a contrarian advice hook or a relatable problem hook keeps viewers watching. Next, I decide to test a different topic. I copy a prompt for a video about why freelancers stay broke. After pasting it into ChatGPT, I get another 10 options tailored to a more professional, business-oriented audience. I scroll through these, noting how the AI uses harsh truths and direct accusations to create an immediate connection with the viewer's struggles. I also want to explore more advanced techniques, so I use a prompt to ask about pattern interrupt hooks. I paste the request for an explanation and 5 examples for a morning routine video. ChatGPT explains that these hooks work by breaking the viewer's autopilot mode, and it provides several unexpected openings that deviate from the usual productivity cliches. Moving on to tutorial-style content, I copy a prompt for a video about writing a LinkedIn bio. I paste it in and receive 8 hooks that focus on practical, time-based outcomes and specific fixes. This shows how versatile the AI can be across different video formats. Finally, I want to create something I can use over and over again. I copy a final prompt asking ChatGPT to turn all the hooks we've discussed into 3 reusable formulas. I paste this into the message box. ChatGPT provides me with structured, fill-in-the-blank templates, including the wrong advice hook and the fast practical result hook. I scroll through these final formulas, which now give me a reliable framework for every script I write in the future. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.